government, let's agree to give, because I didn't hear what he was saying, but many of the children I educate, most of them would have dropped out of school because of school fees. So this is very dangerous. We should not allow our children to drop out of school. Issue of health. Out of the 12 sub-counties of Madi, Okolo, one has got a health center 4, then 9 have health center 3s. Therefore, only 2 sub-counties do not have any health facility, either health center 3 or 4. In the coming government, we are going to upgrade Rhino Camp Health Center 4 to a general hospital. Upgrade Buru Kuatuni Health Center 2 to Health Center 3. Construct a new Health Center 3 in Anyiribu sub-county. Work towards total eradication of malaria. Use information technology to track medicines in government health units and to fight absenteeism of health workers.